My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Winterial 3-person tent. I bought this tent for my brother and I to use on the next Grand Canyon camping trip. We were formerly using a Coleman 4-person tent. It weighed 10 pounds 4 ounces. So this one I bought for the express purpose because it only weighs 4 pounds total. That includes the sticks, the rain fly, anything you could need possibly. So some of the features of this tent, there weren't too many listed online, honestly. It just said that it had kind of a mesh bottom and that it was very airy. And that's kind of what it says here. So it has a dome tent that sleeps up to 3 people. Again, a 3-person tent usually sleeps 2 people plus their gear. That's what we got this for. Lightweight aluminum frame. Shell is a waterproof 210T polyester. I'm not too sure what that is. Tent body is 210T polyester plus mesh. Size is 81 inches by 63 inches by 47 inches. Again, this was a cheap tent. It only cost me $87, but that was because this tent has a couple of cons that are listed in the comments, but I didn't really care about those. A lot of people were complaining about the fact that it has a mesh kind of a bottom to it. So people were saying, you know, I don't really like that because if it rains, it floods the tent and that type of thing. I guess the mesh kind of goes all the way to the bottom part of the tent. But you know, I live in Arizona. We're going to be taking this at the Grand Canyon, one of the driest parts of the country. So I'm not too worried if it gets wet and we get rained on, because honestly, I'd welcome any sort of moisture at that point. And with all the mesh, I just needed something with a lot of airflow in it. So that's why we decided to just kind of go for this tent in particular. So today I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing of it. I'm going to do a separate video where I set it up, take it down. That way you can see all about this tent and you'll know if it's right for what you need. Again, not a sponsor. So this tent I bought for the Grand Canyon specifically so that my brother could carry it for Christmas. So he wants me to put it back exactly as it is. So I'm making this video so that he knows exactly what it looks like. So this is how it comes actually, just in the box. And if you take this out, it looks like it's just all wrapped up here. And if we unwrap this a little bit, so you can see that it's just got the poles here. And this is very typical. You know, it's got the poles in here. And it looks like it does come with, you know, as we've talked about before, just cheap tent camping stakes. So it does come with camping stakes and also rain fly stakes and extra rain fly rope. This appears to be the rain fly itself, which is good to keep. It's not also good to keep just the rain out, but it's good so that it keeps the heat out as well. And then this appears to be the tent base itself. You can see it does have a lot of mesh going all the way to the bottom part of the tent. So, but again, that's really good for my brother and I because it's going to be really hot at the Grand Canyon. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. That's everything that comes with it. It comes with the stakes, it comes with the poles, you get the tent and rain fly with it, along with the carrying bag. So that is it. In the next video, I do plan on doing a setup and take down part of the video, but that's not in this one because it's too hot today. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.